Welcome! Today, we're excited to show you our custom lace human hair topper, designed for a perfect fit and a natural look. This topper features double French lace at the front, single layer at the back. With 6 secure clips, it's easy to wear and stays in place all day. Made from 100% Chinese virgin hair, it's 32mm slight wave, offering a soft, natural style. Crucially, the color is fully customized, 2-inch darker roots, a specific base color, and precise highlights as per the client's template to make a seamless blend. The freestyle hair direction lets you style it however you prefer. This custom topper exemplifies the quality and flexibility we offer. Ready to discuss your custom orders? Contact your Bono Hair representative today. Like this video and subscribe for more insights.